Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how we can use the Ask Me a Question feature in Instagram. So this is the latest feature added on the Instagram app. So first you need to update your Instagram application if you haven't upgraded to the latest version. So just go to the Play Store or the Apple iTunes Store to get to the latest version of the app. So you'll get a lot of new features in the Instagram app, something like that, Instagram TV and so on. And for this okay, for this tutorial we'll see how we can use that Ask a Question feature. For that, first you need to click on your story. So if you want to post a story, click on your post a story and record a video. For example, I'll record a video here. See here, I'm recording a video. Just once you finish your story, just scroll up with your finger. Just scroll up from the mobile screen. I'll again show you. Just scroll up. So you'll see this a lot of options. So here you can ask a poll. So see here, when you click on the poll, you'll see an option like ask a question. Here you can ask your followers, means your followers whom they are going to watch your story. So ask a question like, how is my look? So if you post a question like this, they will be able to answer yes or no for that. And we will again see one interesting feature, which is nothing but once you record with your story, just scroll up, and this is a very interesting feature, and many of the queries are regarding this ask a question and how to use the emoji slider. See here, where the people have the option like image slider. So if you scroll to the maximum, you can scroll to minimum. See here, you can change the emoji here. So if it is a crying, it means this is the meter is the how much they are going to react. For if the question what you have asked is liked very much, so they can give the love to maximum. So for example, you have asked a question like, how is my dress today? How's my, for example, if you took a selfie picture, how is my dress today? So if your question is like this, and they can change. And next, okay, see here, we can change the emojis and we can use the slider. So you can ask a question something like that, how is my dress today? How is my dress today? So this is the question you're asking to your followers. So in this way you can use the feature like ask a question in the Instagram. I hope you like this, and remember, I'll do once again. I'll get back to the starting. I'll get back to the home page, as this is the home page, and you need to click on your story and you can record your story, whatever it may be. You can scroll up, and here you can ask a poll question, or you can uh, you can give a emoji slider, and this is how you can use the latest features in the Instagram. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.